Hello and welcome to this tutorial on TeeSpring. In this video, I will guide you how to create and sell your designs on TeeSpring. So let's get started. Let's start with an introduction to TeeSpring. TeeSpring is a print-on-demand platform that allows you to design and sell custom apparel, including t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and many more. It's a great platform for anyone who wants to turn their creativity into a business. To get started with TeeSpring, go to your web browser and search for TeeSpring and open this website. Now go to login and click on create an account. Now fill these required fields. I will type my name here. As I have already an account on my email, so I create a new temporary email so I can show you how to create the account on TeeSpring. Let's copy and paste this email here. Now create a password for login. I think there is some glitch. Let me log in with this account. Due to some glitch, my account is created. You will be asked for your store information when you are signing up. Now click on Start Creating. Wait until loading. Now I have successfully created my account. You can create your design. Click on Apparel. You see many items here like t-shirts, hoodies and many different items. I go for t-shirt. You can choose t-shirt of your choice. I choose black because it has more sale than other colors. Now this built-in tool is open. You can choose your colors here. I want to choose black and white color. For the design ideas, search for this website. Type t-shirt design. Here you can see many different t-shirt designs. If you know Photoshop, you can create your own design by getting idea from here. Otherwise, go to Canva and create your design on Canva. Firstly, create your account on Canva. If you have an account, search for t-shirt designs. Here I got many different designs. Let me choose this design. Here you can edit your design according to your own preferences. I want to go with this design. Click on share and download this image. Remember to choose PNG format for your download. Now go to TeeSpring. I think white shirt is better for my design. I should choose white. Now click on add image and select your image. Adjust image on t-shirt. You can also edit back of the shirt. I will keep it blank. Once you created your shirt, click on continue. You can choose different items here with your design. Let's choose these two. Click on continue. Write your title and description here. Click on advance. Your visibility should be public. Now click on launch listing. Wait until listing is been loading. Congratulations, your design is now live. Now you will get your commission whenever your design will be sold. You can market your shirt on social media by integrating your merchandise with your social media account from here. To check your analytics, click on Analytics. You can view your order earnings from here. You have to perform some effective strategies include social media advertising and marketing to target your audience. So that's it for this video. Just remember to keep your design unique, set your pricing competitively and market your product effectively. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to channel. Thanks for watching.